Welcome to Math Mantra. So, in previous class we have seen the ascending order, and in this class we are going to see the descending order. Okay, so descending order is just opposite to ascending order. Okay, ascending order, it is the arrangement from small to big, whereas descending order, it is the arrangement from big to small. Only this point you have to remember. Big to small. Okay, so now first thing what we have to do is we have to write the place values as we have done in the ascending order. Here also you will be following the place values. Okay, once you write the place values, then we have to compare the numbers and we have to get the number which is greatest one. Okay, the greatest number will be written at the front. Okay, because this arrangement it is from big to small. Okay, let me do it. First, let me write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, so when you have, now we have written the place values, done. So the highest place value we have to see now. 10,000, okay, 10 lakh, okay, crore, crore. Okay, here we have to stop first. First we need to compare the greatest numbers. Okay, so in order to do that, first let me compare crore, crore. The crores place is 1 and 1 only. Okay, and 10 lakhs place. Let me move one step. If I am going one step here, here also you must move one step. Okay, 5, 6, which is greatest one? 6 is greater than 5. Yes, no. So first we need to write this number. Obviously, second we need to write this number. Next we'll see. Here 10 lakh, here 10,000. 10 lakh is greater or 10,000 is greater? Let me write the place values here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, so always whichever, suppose lakh, it is left side of 10,000. Lakh is greater than 1,000. Okay, remember that. So 10 lakh is greater than 10,000. So the third place will be written and fourth place will be given for this number. Okay, now let me write the answer. So the first number will be 1 crore 66 lakh 31,032. Second, 1 crore 53 lakh 48,732. And third number 15 lakh 69,320. And the fourth will be 38,426. Okay, so in same way you can try. Now I want you to sit with the pen and paper. Please copy this question and solve along with me. So first thing what we have to do, writing of place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, once we write the place values, it will be very clear in order to solve. Okay, lakh, crore, crore, 10 lakh. So which is the highest place value? Crore and crore. No, let us come to these two numbers. Okay, so now compare the highest period, highest place value. 2, 3. Which is greater? 2 or 3? 3 is greater than 2. No, we want the biggest one. So first place will be given to this, and obviously the second place will be given to this, and here lakh, here 10 lakh. So the lakh, 10 lakh is greater than lakh. No, so third place, fourth place. Okay, so let us write the answer. First one, 3 crore 23 lakh 23,469, and second one, 2 crore 32 lakh 32,469, and third, 68 lakh 53,429, and the last one, 2 lakh 32,469. See, in order to confuse you all, they have given greater numbers over here and lesser numbers over here. So be careful. You have to start comparing from your left hand side. Okay, extreme left digit need to be compared when you have same place value. Okay, so hope you have understood. Please copy this question, try here. Okay, try to get the correct answer. If you are getting the correct answer, you're definitely going to enjoy the math. It is really very easy. I just give you the hint. Okay, how to solve. Here till crores place it is, we are having here. Okay, and here 56 lakh, and here 50 lakh, here 48,000. So this is first place, second place, third place, fourth place. This one you just give the place values and compare. I just give the numbering here. You just compare and see whether the numbering is correct. Okay, this second place, third place, fourth place. I want you all to try and get the answer. So please go through the descending order again and again in order to understand in better way. All the very best. Please try to solve the question and get the answer. Okay, and please like the video, share with your friend, subscribe my channel Math Mantra by Tippanagari Radha. Thank you so much.